Hey everybody, Aaron Zamzo, Fit Firehouse Cooking. Today I have a treat for you. Literally. I'm going to show you how to make fiber bombs. Now these are a crew and family favorite. There's just a couple of ingredients. They have not only a little bit of sweet with them with the chocolate, but they also have some fiber and a little bit of protein in them. Very few ingredients, very easy to make. I think you'll like them. Give them a shot. Today we're gonna make fiber bombs. Ingredients: natural peanut butter, special dark chocolate chips, all brand cereal, low sugar craisins. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips to a microwave safe bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of the natural peanut butter to that bowl. Place in the microwave for 1 minute. Wait patiently. This will melt the chocolate and peanut butter together. Next, you want to stir that peanut butter and chocolate mix. Make sure you do it thoroughly. Add 2 cups of the all brand cereal. Mix thoroughly. Be sure to coat all of the cereal with the chocolate and peanut butter mix. Next, add a 1/2 cup low sugar craisins and mix again. Spoon palm-sized portions on a pan. Again, this is about the size of your palm. Make sure they are not touching. Place in the fridge for 10 minutes. And boom, it tastes